Hello and welcome to another IC3D Quick-byte. Today we're going to be taking a look at quickly populating this tuck package that we have pre-folded in our carton fold-up tool. And we're going to be populating it with a tuck package, and that's going to be inside of our model library. Let's head over to the template library, and we're going to open up our shelf visualizer tool. Now, this tool is going to allow us to not only import pre-made shelving, but we're going to actually import a container. And this container, as our information window will say, are completely invisible. So it has all the benefits of our shelf layout tool, but it's completely invisible, so we can move it around or add it to any kind of product we'd like. Go ahead and add that to the scene. It's going to be extremely small, and once we click away, invisible. So what we want to make sure is that whenever we need to click this or move this object, we want to go into our object editor and we want to click that container, and that's how we're going to be able to select this model. One thing with our shelf visualizer is the shelf layout. So this window over here, and of course, if you don't have it open, that's up in Window, Shelf Layout. This tool is going to allow us to quickly import in any model that we have previously created and import it into this shelving unit. So let me show you what I mean. Head over to your model library to select our pre-made model. We can also import our model from a pre-existing 3D file. Now, what we're going to do, though, is take our model library, select our container, and we're going to drag this package on top of our shelf layout, this big gray box. And once that imports in, we're now able to quickly produce a filled package. So here we go. We're going to add 2 across, and that's about right, and a couple deep. And with this, we can actually check. Now our product is a little too wide for 7, so let's go ahead and go with 6 deep, and then we'll do 2 high. Thanks for joining me. And as always, my name's Adam Chop, and don't forget to comment on what you'd like to see next, and of course, subscribe to our channel. All right, take care.